Want your HubSpot CMS pages to rank higher on Google and drive more traffic in 2025? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add SEO tags to your HubSpot CMS pages, step by step, so your content gets the visibility it deserves. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a pro tip that can boost your SEO even further. First, let's understand what SEO tags are and why they matter. SEO tags include meta titles, meta descriptions, and other key elements like alt text for images. These help search engines understand your page and encourage users to click when they see it in search results. Now, let's dive into the process. Log into your HubSpot account and head over to your CMS Hub dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Marketing greater than Website pages, or landing pages, depending on which page you want to optimize. Select the page you want to edit and click Edit. Once inside the page editor, on the left panel, find and click the Settings tab. Here you can set your page title. This will appear as the clickable headline in search results. Make it clear, relevant, and keep it under 60 characters. Next, write your meta description. This is the brief snippet under your title in search engines. Aim for around 150 characters. Include your main keyword naturally and make it compelling enough for users to click. Scroll down and check the URL slug. Keep it short, descriptive, and include your keyword if possible. Don't forget to add alt text to your images. Simply click an image, find the alt text option, and describe the image briefly while including your keyword when relevant. After entering your SEO details, click Update or Publish to save your changes. And here's the pro tip I promised. HubSpot provides an SEO recommendations tool in your page settings. Use it to scan your page and identify missing tags or optimization opportunities. This can dramatically improve your page performance over time. And that's it. You've successfully added SEO tags to your HubSpot CMS pages. By following this 2025 guide, you'll make your content more discoverable and boost your rankings. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and let me know in the comments which topic you want me to cover next. See you in the next video.